the introduction of our certified Power BI connector for OneStream. This is our opportunity to help deliver the insights and the value of the information that exists in the OneStream platform into the wildly popular user interface controlled by Power BI. This is an entirely new way for us to democratize the information and another way for you to meet the individuals in your organization.
I think it's great to have this no-code solution that will really help your vision of democratizing the data, meeting the customer where they are, being able that they can really make the most out of all the analytics platform that a company like Microsoft can offer.
Our vision of take finance further. We promise that we'll keep innovating, and I know that we can go further than we've ever thought, and we're just getting started.
Leveraging the Power BI connector, I'm able to pull financially intelligent OneStream data into Power BI. I can marry that with data sources from other systems, being able to put that information in the hands of those that need it. All about leveraging the Power BI.